What's up, guys? Welcome to the latest edition of the Sam Jones Show, and today we're here for a video of the completed project.
So in the last year, and I guess more so the last few months, I've been getting a lot of interesting questions about what I do with my flips and exactly how it's done. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to walk you guys through a step-by-step process from start to finish with this series of videos. This wasn't a very large project, but at the same time, it gave me a chance to show you guys a few of my ideas all at once because we actually took out the wall in between the living room and kitchen, making the floor plan wide open when you walk in, and added the additional bathroom in the master, making the home a 3-bedroom, 2-bath versus a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. I like using a lot of the same colors and finishes on my properties. If it's a brick home, I usually paint the exterior a lighter color gray as well as the interior. My homes usually come with upgraded light fixtures, recessed lighting throughout, a kitchen backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and of course my signature mark is that red door. Here are some before and after photos of the property to give you a better idea of exactly where it started and what the finished product looks like today. And you can also refer to that series of videos I have posted on YouTube, which outlines the project from day one.
Alright guys, that's it. You've seen this property from its beginning stages, and now it's fully complete. We'll be going on the market at $184.9, so stay tuned, see how soon I can get it sold.